Okay, and again PHP syntax, it ends with a semicolon. Remember, if you don't put the semicolon, it throws up an error. Okay, this time it's strict now. Unlike in JavaScript, doesn't throw an error, but it just stops execution out there. But in PHP, yeah, echo is a statement which is used to print. Okay, there are two other statements which I will discuss when time comes. Okay, so how do we do? So here, it's always starts with that and ends with this. So here I say echo, this is my first program in PHP. This. Okay, so now what is my server name? My server name is localhost. Okay, slash. Then where is our folder? Our folder inside the server in the document root. It's underscore PHP, right? I click this. Now it shows me the list of the files in that particular folder. So how many files are in there? There's only one file which we have just written, right? So let's say this. Now here you can see this is my first program in PHP. So it is as simple as that. Okay. So here now instead of that, okay, again this is comments here, just like our JavaScript, the comments in PHP are the same as JavaScript comments. So single line comments, two backward slashes, and multi-line comments, backslash star, whatever you want to comment, then star backslash. Okay, so here I want to print something else, which is PHP underscore info. Let's see. Oh, so yeah, PHP info will tell me the whole history of that, like whatever I got in my computer. Okay, so it says I have 5.4.7 version. This is the build date, this is the release date. Okay, then the architecture and my configuration files and all stuff. Then the Apache version 2.4.3. Okay, and localhost, and this is a server root. Whatever the configuration we have seen over there will be displayed over here. Okay, so the document root is htdocs. Again, it says here the port is 80. Okay, so it says, you know, the file name is first.php and the URL is first.php. So it gives the URL to request URI, and there is no query string which will be seeing in a while. And HTTP headers, this is not of less significance over here. And what else we got? We got a lot of stuff is output, like it's on the browser here. So which is really not essential for us. Most probably we may need MySQL here. Okay, so it's here. MySQL configuration is here. It says the version is 5.0.1.10. Okay, the default port is 3306. Okay, and you have MySQL i2 here in our Apache, or sorry, in our XAMPP. These are all installed in my system, so that's what it says. Okay, so any questions here? So echo is a statement to print out there. So I give a simple task to you guys, like, you know, just write your first program to print your name. Okay, to print your name, where are you from, something about you, how did you like about this class. Okay, just put in a file, email me that file. My email ID is this tutoslive.help@gmail.com, so that we may discuss that tomorrow. So I'll take out two programs and we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. So in tomorrow's class we'll discuss about the variables, how many types of variables in PHP, how do we use those variables time zone. Then we will discuss about the if conditions and loop conditions, looping structures, which I have discussed in JavaScript. So the class you find about that control structures, okay, I'll show how to use that thing. Tutoslive.com. So we search for control structures. Most probably this may give. I don't know. Let's say. Yeah. Here you go. So this class is about the looping statements. So the previous class is about if condition. So I request you guys to go through these classes. So it's pretty much the same. The JavaScript and PHP looping structures and if conditions are the same as, they're pretty much similar. Okay. So if else and switch statements. Okay. So class number 39 and 41. So if you go through them, you'll have an idea about the looping structures and the if condition. So we may move a little bit faster tomorrow. So instead of me explaining again, so class number 39 and 41. That's what I say. So 39 and oh, my screen share is gone. So 39 and 41. Okay. So I'll make this particular file, the first.php available. So you guys just download it and just modify that particular folder and rename it with your name. Okay, like say Ankush underscore first.php, Rakesh underscore first.php, Kavita underscore first.php, Taufik underscore first.php. So name according to your names so that it makes my life easier to evaluate that code. Okay, and I may end this class now here. We'll meet again tomorrow.